Wasabi. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Hi, happy Thanksgiving. Wait. Wait. Why there's so much number? Happy Thanksgiving. Neto. Is it cower? Huh? Oh. Hi. Hi. Okay. Say hi. Say hi. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. No, no, happy Thanksgiving. Hi, girls. Happy Thanksgiving. You ready to eat food? Eat some food? Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Come on, man. Bring it in. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, Elston. Thanksgiving. Okay, welcome back, everybody. Today is our church Thanksgiving dinner. So we're gonna start our dinner. We haven't had any chance to vlog on our actual Thanksgiving day, but right now we're doing it at the church. So yes, what a beautiful day just to celebrate Thanksgiving with our church family. And then hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving as well. But yes, I'm starving. I've been saving my appetite from work so that I can come back here and eat. Oh yeah. Okay, we're gonna stay in line. Happy birthday. Okay, happy Thanksgiving. Muy bien.
The other shoe, the other hand.
Yeah.
0, 3, 4, stuffings.
Thank you. Ren. Lily. Lily, come. You want to kakku torok cake? Hello. Ooh. Oh yes. Oh yes. I'm gonna get 2 plates. One for me and one for me. One for me and one for me. Is that what you guys made last night? Huh? I like the pumpkin roll. Huh? What you need? You want this one? How does this go? Oh. That's it? All right. Uh.
Amelia.
Oh. My sugar level is a little low, so I have to make sure that it's back to its normal range. What is that? Pumpkin roll. Who made the pumpkin roll? Huh? It's good.
Chocolate cake.
No, I don't want that.
Oh, sorry.
That's my plate. Okay. No, just leave it in there. Happy day, no? Happy day?
Yeah, but look at that cake though. These shortened up. I forgot.
Okay, that's for me.
Wait,
All right, this is for my
this.
body. Oh, that's what I want. Can you give me one? Celine? Just give me one. Thanks. Thank you. Lily, what are you? Sit. I don't know dessert. Food is good. Marcin. Marcin.
The white one is on the table.
Marcin. 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 Where are you going? Neto, you get coffee. Babe, you get coffee. Chuuk the week. Nothing can beat the taste of coffee. What is this? Coffee creamer? Coffee creamer. Oh yeah. A little bit more. Uh-oh. No crying. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. If there's sugar problem. Where there's sugar problem. No woman, no cry. All right. That's good. What's good, guys?
Happy Thanksgiving to everyone.
Wait. Where's Marlon? I think he needs to vlog. Yeah. What do you have to say on Thanksgiving? Since we didn't vlog on Thanksgiving.
I just want to thank God for protecting all of us. I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful for my family, and I want to thank God for protecting all of us. That's it.
Okay, you give it a kitaran. Pumpkin roll.
Strawberry.
Running in. No. Wait, I got Huh?
A cake. Right.
FIFA.
Cake.
Oh, Ferrer youth.
E Ferrer youth cake. Cake. Sabe que eles são
Kira ke micak pon. Acho chore tukar mo. Hah? Ara dia cek. I'm gonna set you guys down here so you guys can see who in this room is taking all the food. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Talk to them, not to them.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Oh,
Talk to them.
happy Thanksgiving. Like and subscribe.
No.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Okay. Happy Thanksgiving. You want to say something? Here, come on. Here. I'll let you talk.
Oh, hey guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.
What else do you have to say? What are you most thankful
I'm thankful for my friends and my family and everything that God has done for us. And I want to shout out to Di Sonson and my dad. Happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you. Huh? Apa sa Thanksgiving?
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, Eddie. Give me medicine. So on follow the M3E. Kiriso giri ko tren. Mara betul kuna peran. Kiriso giri ko very terate. Family and ICC. Misikar. Ya mission infection. Gira at kapo giri ke medicine. So on 50 tickets. Kiriso. Put a pass on the mic.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Hey. So I put this at the to forget not a put it. I kapong Eddie Kevi. Please, like and subscribe.
Okay. So, thank you. Your turn.
Happy Thanksgiving. Kirisogeri me tatsumirisin. Yukia Rapi, St. Louis.
Thank you. Samsaparok. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. So
So, you, Mama Ninin,
happy Thanksgiving.
hold the mic please so you can. Alright.
Happy Thanksgiving to all the viewers. Please subscribe.
Alright, thank you very much. Have you hit to up some Thanksgiving? Sa kapong ini kali seperti itu. Jadi puluh. Pasal no.
Happy Thanksgiving. I really said so.
Era, sa tawad pagi-pagi. Sa tawad pagi-pagi.
Mete.
Pasal kapong.
Eu ia achar clipe makeup. Happy Thanksgiving ngani main sin. Kristo ngani ko tren matach main sin.
Thank you. Mommy, you want to say something?
Sincerie se più non.
Usap
Niro.
Ayo karo sinsen. Iya Lili afir se piawat. Kuika wawe ko buka cek cewek ko betogi. Let's turn the mic over to Mama Ketres. Mama Ketres, say your happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving any kids medicine kilisoren at spansol officiates aboy punete at skapong at stong any kids medicine.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Asif, you want to say something? Happy
Thank you,
Thanksgiving.
thank you. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm full.
You guys want to say something? Huh? You sure? Popo, you want to say something?
Sure.
Okay. Happy Kabok. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, Erike Vichon. Katot. Hey, YouTube. Anu C. Anuet.
Yeah, thank you. Where pa rin? Apa sa Kabok?
Happy Thanksgiving, Erike Vichon. Katot. Kisyo Rerenan. Ismi Pakatori. Nila kapal yang kapong Erike Vichon.
So,
Para Thanksgiving Erike Vichon. Kisyo Gerikot. Arau tiat meraveli sitori karai. Kisyo po iwa fakurvot rari keiboga. Kisyo.
any of you girls want to say something like just happy Thanksgiving? What are you grateful for?
Happy Thanksgiving. I'm grateful for this gift of life and this family in Christ. Thank you.
Happy Thanksgiving. I'm so grateful to call these people my family. That's it.
Happy Thanksgiving, and I'm grateful for my family and all the food on our tables and the roof I'm living under.
You don't want to say something? Okay, I'm just gonna go around and try to give everyone the chance to say what they're grateful for and their, you know, so I'm gonna turn the mic over to some of the members.
Paras kapong kari kevi chon, par ke diki chon no chei. Oi. Paras kapong kari kevi, cha par ke diki chon no chei. Kajido. Pari e japara jwe neri ICC Seattle. Keer papu which ke show ragi me pam mat ne firach re shabat ke so mas pa fiti pa shabat kan shabat fira so goa e papu which ke me pa ke si firi ya me pan apaja ke show re Ye ga bore pan, uba mo tai ba ngeri papu je, buye papu je vero cha. Ye be pamara otore fira chikerai.
Remember the merch. Always, please subscribe. Press the like button, baby.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Narito, you want to say something? Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Nanitong, and and I'm gonna say who I'm thankful for. I'm thankful for the one above us and what he's done for us and all the many blessings. And I'm thankful that he has taken care of all of us over these past few years.
It's beautiful. Thank you, Nani Dog.
Ya, para at kapong ngiri kiri si chor kakadot. Happy Thanksgiving.
Parats Kopongeri. I'm very sick. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, Giri. Shit, salkatut.
Pasa porojek at kapong ngiri. Lady si chor kurakit. Kiri so ngiri kotreri fanson siapa tori cici fagan. Mira, Happy Thanksgiving ngiri kevi lady sin. So.
Have you had a chance to talk to our video? Okay, go ahead. Say what you're most grateful and thankful for.
I'm thankful for my parents, and I'm thankful for God, like letting me like have another day to live, and that's it.
Thank you. Now back to you again. I know you've already said something on previously, but I want to give you this chance to say once again what are you most grateful for and thankful for on this special day of Thanksgiving.
I'm thankful for everything God has done for us, and I'm thankful for my parents for always being there for me, and I'm thankful for you guys. Yeah, yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe. I already said that, but yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, you people. Kevin, bora kiri sogeri kotreri mara bacekut. Por kiri soren ren. Ya mer fokur feyot. Sambil me feyot ren. Sokopa diramas mogo. Kevin kiri so. Very mara. That's it.
All right. Happy Thanksgiving. It is so really medicine. Thank you. Latrit.
Happy Thanksgiving. Get it so.
Okay. Russian, you good?
Happy Thanksgiving. Happy monsoon. Chor fiti April pat chor sefiti. We Kristo ngirikot rer fisiot sun me poriata. Kristo chapu.
So
Happy Thanksgiving. Jadi, where is it? What's kapong ngiri?
what are you most grateful and thankful for?
For my family. I love them to death.
Go ahead.
I'm grateful for my family and my friends and everybody's health and happiness. Happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you. All right. I think that's probably going to wrap up tonight's dinner. Birthday
I just
wishes.
want to say happy Thanksgiving and also thank you for all the birthday wishes. Most importantly, I just want to thank God for this amazing, for guiding us and protecting us through ever since January to now, November 29th. Tomorrow, we're going into a new month. I just pray that God will continue to guide us and protect us. And thank you for all the support throughout the years. I love y'all. Keep God first. Be safe. Like and subscribe.